Hello everyone! Today we are going to unbox Moving Beyond the Pages age 5 to 7 full year package. This is everything you need for a successful and fun first grade year. First, right on top, you should find a new Moving Beyond the Page catalog. Use this to help plan for next year, or if you ever need anything throughout the year, this is a great guide, to have on hand just to look through. You're also going to have your packing slip. Please check it carefully, make sure everything is in the box it needs to be. And it's also kind of a good way just to kind of keep tabs on what you have, if you're going to pass things down. On the back of your packing slip will be a code, and you're going to need that code if you need to transfer your order to your personal account, if you've ordered through a charter school or some other way like that. So at the age 5 to 7 level, you're going to have 4 concept manuals for your language, arts, science, and social studies, and then you're going to have 2 semesters worth of math. So each concept is going to come with a parent manual and a student activity book, okay? And this is similar to the kindergarten curriculum, except you're gonna have 4 of these for language, arts, science, and social studies. So the first one is an environment, parent manual, and student activity book. Concept 2, similarities and differences. This is the parent manual and the student activity book. Concept 3, patterns parent manual, and the patterns student activity book. This is the Concept 4 Change Parent Manual, and I'm just going to open this one up quickly and kind of give you just a quick run through. You can see here are all the lessons listed in this concept. There's 3 units. A breakdown of what your daily schedule may look like. You can go through here. This is all of the required books for this concept, and it's divided by unit. And there's also a list of all of the required materials. So if you have anything that you need to gather before you start, that's all listed handily right there. So this is what the parent view looks like each day for each lesson. We'll go more into that in another video. Your student will just need to open up their student activity book, but it goes right into the activity pages. So there's not a lot of extra fluff. So for the math, you have the Semester 1 Parent Manual, your Semester 1 Student Activity Book with all of the student activity pages, okay? The Semester 2 Math Book and the Semester 2 Student Activity Books. Along with your math materials, you're going to find the interactive notebook. You're going to be able to place activities in there. They're going to be noted throughout the curriculum, helpful things that we think your child might want to look back on later. And it's all going to be divided by unit. You can see there's dividers in there. There's a little table of contents that tells you what unit is what. There are also some tips and instructions in here. And you can really put in here whatever you want. If there was a particularly interesting activity or helpful activity for your child that maybe wasn't listed to put in the interactive notebook, go ahead and do that. That's what it's for your child. There's going to be a little box of bar magnets, so you can see here. I highly suggest going ahead and putting these in a safe place. Sometimes kiddos like to get into things like that, and then you might miss a piece later on. You're going to get our Caterpillars game. This box is the age 5 to 7 math materials kit. We'll get into that in just a little while. One of the high points of Moving Beyond the Pages curriculum, of course, is the literature. The Biggest Valentine Ever, Push and Pull, Look How It Changes, Shapesville, The Magic School Bus Explores the Senses, Bear Hugs, Busy Bugs, Math Counts Pattern, National Geographic Kids Seed to Plant, The House on Maple Street, The Raft, The Usborne Time Traveler, Telling Time, 10 Black Dots, Shapes, 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 It's About Time, If You Were a Plus Sign, If You Were a Minus Sign, Animals on Board, A Fair Bear Share, 10 Little Hot Dogs, Crinkle Roots Guide to Knowing Animal Habitats, Me on a Map, Oh Say Can You Say What's the Weather Today, On the Town, The Salamander Room, Up in the Garden, Down in the Dirt, Whatever the Weather, A Life Like Mine, How Children Live Around the World, My 5 Senses, Over and under the pond, what do you do with the problem? Now, let's get into the math materials kit, okay? So some of the stuff you're gonna find in here are like pipe cleaners, the base 10 blocks. My kids use these forever, okay? They're a really great tool. Dry erase markers, some plates, attribute blocks. You're gonna have some flashcards. This is your geo board. So, an abacus. Of course, a few project things like popsicle sticks, beads, straws. Another clock. So you've got the one that you can like write the time on and dry erase marker, and then you've got the hard one that you can manipulate. Little clear counters here. Playing cards. Play money. Practice counting money. Wooden dominoes. Some Play-Doh, some dice. So you can see there are going to be a lot of really interesting math activities where your kids are going to be using their hands. There is going to be a whiteboard, some construction paper, a ruler, a number line here. And right here, this is going to be like a dry erase poster calendar. Don't realize how much of a visual kids need to see how the days move. And then it also has the little weather down here. So that's your materials kit. Anything that repeats in the next math level, we have a math move-up kit, so it will only send you the things that you need additionally to this. So you can use this over and over every year, and that's really, kind of environmentally conscious and, stuff conscious. We don't all have an unlimited space in our homes, so kind of cut down on the clutter.
Here's a look at everything all together. Thanks for watching the unboxing of our age 5 to 7 full year package. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Moving Beyond the Page and education content. And follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.